guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Harley Fat Boy Jr. here. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning in Oregon. Gonna take advantage of this day and get a ride in. Gonna head over to PDX, Portland International Airport. Grab my badge. Start work tomorrow, so make sure I got everything I need before the day starts. So yeah, let's get it. How's it, everybody? Aloha, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing well today. Want to take you guys on a little ride. Headed out to Portland International Airport. Pick up my badge. Start work tomorrow here at PDX, so grab my badge. I start early in the morning, so I didn't want to take a chance you know, picking up my badge in the morning and then possibly being late to work. But also want to give this a little test ride, do a little test run with the bike. Super stoked. There's free parking for motorcycles at PDX, which is right by Arrival, so make it super easy. I don't have to catch the bus or park in the employee parking lot. Surprisingly, there is no motorcycle parking in the structure at PDX or for employees, so interesting, but makes it even easier. But I'm down with free, so good on you, PDX, good on you. So typically it's about 15 minutes to get out of Sherwood to get to the 5, which I love. I love that we're more inland and kind of away from all the mess with traffic and whatnot. But once you're on the I-5, it's pretty quick to get to the airport. Yeah, so kind of want to take you guys along for the ride. About to hop on the freeway right now. Thought I'd tap in real quick and just say good morning to you. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead and drop an elbow on that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and go ahead and hit that like button. Appreciate you guys. Definitely helps out the channel. But yeah, let's get it going. I'll see you guys on the road. Enjoy the ride. And yeah, headed out to PDX. Let's go. All right, we're here. Didn't take too long at all. Seen about 15 minutes, if that. Going the speed limit, of course. And then the parking is, you head towards Arrivals, and it should be right there. Beautiful airport though, man. It's under construction. And I've seen pictures of it online, of what it's gonna look like. Obviously a pretty big project, but yeah, it's gonna be a nice airport. Oh, this girl's having fun. I wonder what she's listening to. Probably Taylor Swift. Love it. Good mood. Rocking out. In the Honda Civic. Uh-oh, he is greater than I over there. A little 808 action on that truck. Hawaiian? Oh, God. Of course, he's got a Niner sticker in the back of the right side of the window. Man, suckers are everywhere. Thought I moved away from San Fran. Nope. They're here. PDX keeping up with their landscaping. I like it. Nice and green here in Oregon. I don't know what this girl's doing, but stay in the middle of the lane, girl. Arrivals. All right. Look at all these bikes here, guys. Cool little spot. So motorcycle parking right here, rivals right over there. I think this is the walkway right here, so easy peasy. Yeah, man, no one's gonna mess around with anything over here. Pretty sure they got cameras just in case. That bad boy up. Alright, I need to get one of those helmet locks for my bad boy. Alright, let's go take a walk. Some nice bikes here. That lane splitter helmet. It's too bad those things are, I mean, it's a right looking helmet, but it's like a 3X that fits me. Ooh, look at you. Huh? I'm supposed to meet here tomorrow too. Check in the Oz building. Oh yeah, easy peasy. Take this off, put my mask on. Alright. Long hallway. Almost there. Let's go. Another elevator. Here to pick up my bag. Yes. PDX. Alright, so figured out where I got to report to tomorrow. Building right here, tested out my badge works, so we're all set to go. Met Mike the trainer, met one of the supervisors, so yeah, good times. Tomorrow will be the day. Go from there. How's it? Good times. Right on, everyone. Mahalo for tuning in. I know the footage is old, but man, I had to throw it out there for you guys. Just had a blast making the video. Obviously, it's been a little bit now that I've been at PDX. Love Portland International Airport. The people here that I work with are amazing. Coming from San Francisco, which is a huge hub. It's one of the 5 big hubs in the country, and coming to a smaller station like PDX has just been amazing. You know, we only got a few gates, and the madness is not as bad. It does get crazy out there sometimes, but it's just been amazing from day one. Shout out to all my uncles and my cousins, all the guys, the local guys from back home that have kind of taken me under their wing since I got here. Looking forward to going back to days and seeing you guys a lot more, and also getting together outside of work. But you guys have been amazing. Mahalo mucho for all the love and the support since I got here. And to everyone else too on the ramp that I work with, you guys are amazing. But yeah, just kind of want to share a little bit of what was going on around that time, around this time last year. But absolutely love it. Super stoked. It's just been amazing, man. Oregon's been treating us really well. We're coming up on almost 2 years now being here, and miss Cali. Cali was great. Miss the Bay. Miss my city job. Miss my city folks. Miss all my friends and family that we were not really able to say bye to because we moved right smack dab in the middle of COVID and things were nuts then. But anyways, we'll make that happen soon. But just super stoked to be here. Just had to share it all. But thank you guys so much for all that you guys do. I know you guys are, you guys are out there on the ramp daily, and fortunately, I'm blessed to be able to drop whatever ships I can drop. But from the bottom of my heart, mahalo mucho to all you guys out there at PDX. And see you guys, in a couple of days, I guess. And then I'll be off again for another week. I need to start taking myself to work. But right on for tuning in. Right on for supporting the channel. To all the members, you know who you are. Appreciate you guys. To my sponsor, my boy, my cousin, Woody's Plumbing Services out there on Maui. Hit them up for all your pipe clearing needs and anything and everything plumbing. Yeah, residential and commercial. So hit them up. I'll have all the info in the link below, in the description below. But you guys know what to do. Stay safe, stay blessed, and let's continue to spread the love, people, because we need it. Fat Boy out. Boom, boom, boom.